How to find your player ID on T3 Arena. Are you looking for a T3 Arena player ID for adding friends or support requests? Then here's how you do it. Follow the steps till the end. Launch Open T3 Arena game on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. From the main lobby screen that appears on the screen, go ahead and tap on your player icon or your avatar at the top left corner. Now this will open up the player info section. Go to the top of the screen under player info and you'll see player ID level. Tap the player ID to copy it in your device's clipboard, and now you can paste it down in a secured folder, or you can also write it down in a piece of paper. You can later share it with friends or support. Your player ID is unique and permanent. Share it only with trusted players or official support. It is commonly required for friend requests and account recovery. So that's how you successfully find your player ID in T3 Arena. You can now add friends, contact support, or manage your account more easily. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.